why maintenance matters. You can see on this picture right here, this is where a roof have caved in because the Texas, maybe John Lane probably can attest to this. It seemed like after the year 2000, they started running the condensate drain line up under the lavatory, up under the sink. And as you can see on this picture right here in the middle, I used to call it slime in the ice machine every time I see that right there. But it's actually biofilm. It's organic matter that build up in your pipes. And if you don't get that flushed out at least once or twice a year, it will back up on you. And this is the secondary drain pan right here. We used to run that pipe over a window, but a lot of people, you might not even use a room with that secondary drain line pipe that's over the window, or you might have your blinds closed. And some people even think that it's supposed to be dripping on the outside of their house, but that's a secondary drain pipe. And on this bottom picture right here, this secondary drain pan has filled up and it rusted out in the bottom, and that's what caused that ceiling to collapse. So even though it's still dripping outside, it's still rusted out that pan, and eventually, with the rust, it will cause problems. So that's one of our maintenance tips. So we do offer Comfort 365 Protection membership. It's an annual payment of $360, and for each additional unit, you can save. Okay. Annual coverage. We do a 21-point inspection, and also with all Comfort 365, it comes with an app. As you can see, there's a sensor inside a secondary drain pan. As soon as it senses water, you'll get an alert on your phone, and we'll get an alert in our office also saying that's an urgent matter. We need to have a technician come out there and take a look at the unit. Of course, we clean the unit. This unit right here is only 1 year old, and you can see how filthy it is. Especially when you take the cage out, this is the outside unit, so I usually get a brush. I don't use any chemicals, anything like that, because if you just wet it, all that dirt and debris, it will turn to mud and concrete, and it'll be a worse situation. So I usually brush it off, and then I apply water and wash it from the inside out. So our Comfort 365 membership benefits includes routine maintenance checks, help with extending the life of the equipment, priority service and repairs, enhanced air quality. Like I say, if you want to learn more about our smart AC integration, you can scan the QR code. But we do have sensors that monitor the unit 24/7. You get instant alerts, receive alerts on performance, air filter status, and potential. You can see this is how the app looks. You can see like the filter health at 72% on this app right here. But once it get down to like 10 or 20%, it's time to change your filter. So you don't have to guess, when the last time you changed your filter. You can see over there also it says no leaks. That will turn to red if they're water sensitive leak. But it's awesome app. So scan the QR code to learn more. Or we can do a one-on-one and I can tell you a little bit more about that. Again,